Learn metric butterfly method for fraction. Hi, I'm Kika. In this video, I'll teach you the butterfly method in fraction. I will be able to compute fraction easily and fast by using matrix. First example. Let's use the butterfly method to add fraction. 1 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Let's draw the wings of our butterfly by outlining the numerator of one fraction and the denominator of another fraction. We do this 2 times for both fractions. We give each wing an antenna. Next, we multiply the numbers in each wing. 1 times 4 equals 4, and 3 times 5 equals 15. We put the products of each wing in the antenna. Next, we give our butterfly method a body. We draw the body like so and multiply the denominator. 5 times 4 is equals 20. We put the products inside the body. Now we add the numbers in the antenna. 5 plus 15 equals 19. We put the 19 in the numerator. The numbers in the body 20 is our denominator. So 1 over 5 plus 3 over 4 equals 19 over 20. We can use the butterfly method to subtract fraction as well. We draw our wings, antenna, and body. Next, we multiply the numbers in each wing. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we multiply our denominators and put it inside the body. 5 times 3 equals 15. Now we subtract the numbers inside of our antennas. We put these numbers in the numerator. 12 minus 10 equals 2. 2 is our numerator and 15 is our denominator. So 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3 is 2 over 15. This method is very useful for comparing small fractions. Let's try an example. 4 over 7 and 5 over 8. Draw the butterfly as usual. Multiply the numbers inside of each wing. 4 times 8 equals 32, and 5 times 7 equals 35. Now we compare the numbers inside the antenna. 32 is less than 35. This means that 4 over 7 is less than 5 over 8. However, this method is not always helpful. When you have longer fraction, this method becomes too difficult. Let's look at the example. If you want to add, subtract, or compare 13 over 21 and 17 over 42, we have to multiply the numbers inside of each wing. 13 times 42 and 21 times 17 are very hard and times consuming, which makes the butterfly method less helpful. In cases like this, it is more helpful to use the least common denominator of the LCD. We also can't use this method if we want to add or subtract 3 or more fraction. In this case, we also use the LCD or least common denominator. Thank you for watching.